Hello everybody, this is just a quick proof of concept assembly video for a USB voltmeter actually that we can do some logging using a Seeeduino and the Python computer language. So this is literally just about assembling it. I'll share the circuit diagram and there'll be a link to my blog post where this is covered in detail. But essentially what we're going to do is we're going to link a AA battery holder into a breadboard. So I'm going to attach the negative of the AA battery to the negative rail and the positive of the AA battery to the positive rail, and then put a AA battery in it, of course. Now I'm going to add some load resistors. I'm going to use 10k, no I'm not, I'm going to use 10 ohm load resistors across the terminals of the battery. I'm going to put one resistor here, and then I'm going to use a wire to connect the other side of the resistor through to the negative side of the battery. And what that'll have the effect of doing is adding a 10 ohm resistor across the terminals of the battery, which will provide a loop for the current, and the battery will begin to discharge across that load. I'm going to add another 10 ohm resistor. In fact, I'm going to add 4 in total. So there's the next one. And I'm going to complete the circuit into the negative side of the battery, like so. 2 more. Another 10 ohm resistor connected from there to there, like so. And I'm going to complete that side of the circuit. I'm going to go from the negative rail in the battery into the breadboard, like so, and a final one from that positive rail of the battery into the breadboard, and from the other side of the battery to the negative rail. So I've prepared the circuit here now, which has 4 10 ohm resistors in parallel across the battery. I'm going to bring in now the Seeeduino. It's an Arduino compatible microcontroller, into which I have soldered 2 headers into a sense pin and a ground pin. And I'm going to put those either side of the gap in the breadboard. And I'm going to take 2 10k resistors, and I'm going to connect one of them from the positive rail into the sense pin, like so. And I'm going to take the other 10k resistor from the ground pin into 0 volts, effectively giving it a path to ground through a 10k resistor. I'm going to connect that like so. So that's my circuit complete, and you'll see on my blog, you'll see the details of how this circuit has been used.